Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg sandwich at home with mayonnaise. First, let's prepare our eggs. Place 6 large eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Cover the pot and let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes for perfectly firm yolks. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Once your eggs are cool, it's time to peel and chop them. Gently tap each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell all around. Peeling them under cool running water can make the process much easier and helps remove any tiny shell fragments. After peeling, chop the eggs into small, consistent pieces. Aim for pieces about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size to ensure a great texture in your sandwich. Now, let's create that creamy egg salad filling. Place your chopped eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can adjust this amount based on how creamy you like your sandwich. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Gently mix all the ingredients together until everything is well combined and has a smooth, creamy consistency. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious egg sandwich. Choose your favorite bread, whether it's classic white, hearty wheat, or tangy sourdough. Spread a generous amount of your creamy egg salad mixture evenly onto one slice. Feel free to add optional toppings like crisp lettuce, a slice of fresh tomato, or a sprinkle of paprika for extra flavor. Place the second slice of bread on top and slice your sandwich as desired. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.